Hi all, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a pretty different vehicle. This is a BYD ATTO3. So as you can see, it's a 73 plate vehicle, and one of our competitors had tried to do a dash camera upgrade in this and failed miserably. So the customer looked for a specialist and called us, and again, as you can see, we've now done this job and it works lovely. So we're now in the vehicle there, and as you can see, we've fitted this Thinkware Q1000 system. It's a front and rear system. So I'll show you the front camera now. So as you can see, that's the camera there, and it's cabled up nice and neat and out of the way, and all the wires are hidden. Now what we're going to do is show you the rear. So that's the rear of the vehicle, and the camera is actually mounted. So all I'm going to do now is just open the boot, and we're going to show you inside the vehicle. So as you can see there's the camera. It's nice and tiny, as you can see, and the cable runs with the existing wiring and out of the way. This really is a fantastic upgrade for any vehicle. This does have the facility to record while parked, so it's got a parking mode and works absolutely fantastic. Now, with any type of specialised vehicle, obviously you'll need a specialist. So if you want to fetch your vehicle to us and allow us to fit your dash camera, give the specialists a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.